Hi, my name is Giselle Garcia. This is my presentation for assistive technology for the EDUU 677. In the presentation, I will be discussing about low-tech and high-tech assistive technology in the areas of communication and language, academic cognition, and transitioning. Assistive technology, according to IDEA, is any item, piece of equipment, or product system, whether acquired commercially off the shelf, modify or customize, that is used to increase, maintain, or improve the functional capabilities of children with disabilities. Assistive products maintain or improve an individual's functioning and independence. In other words, it is simply a tool that reduces barriers for individuals. These can range from no tech to high tech. No tech meaning it usually has no electronics. Low tech is very limited electronic to no electronic. They are very simple to use and with little maintenance. No tech and low tech have high availability in the class. Mid tech requires to use electronics and some training and maintenance. They're often available in many classrooms. And finally, high tech is involved with all of the use of technology and is very complex, can be very expensive, and requires high levels of training. For communication and language, two of the low tech that I decided to talk about was communication in books and choice boards. Communication books is another form of symbol supported communication, not as strict guidelines and rules like PECs. Students use either a communication book or a simple board to support communication across all environments. And the goal with both is to build communication skills for all of the students. For choice boards, is a visual support that includes objects, photos, pictures, line drawings, or text, which can be used by your child to communicate what activity, item, or task they would like to do or to complete. For high tech, I chose one of them was Prologue to go by Assistive Weird. Features over 10,000 words, is easy to customize for physical or cognitive needs, and can be used in many different languages. It is a tool that can be used for daily communication and helps promote language skills. It is also one of the few AAC apps that are designed to support all users from beginning to advanced. It's completely customizable and designed for a range of fine motors and visual skills. And for Touch Chat HD, it provides English and Spanish options and allows the user to choose a voice that fits their personality. It is a tool that provides a full-feature communication solutions for individuals who have difficulty using their natural voice. Both of these are in very high price range. For the Prologue to go, it's about $250, and the Touch Chat HD, it's about $299. For academic and cognition, low techs that I decided to talk about was one of them was graphic organizers and outlining programs because they help the learners who have trouble organizing and outlining information as they begin the writing project or the math problems. This type of program lets a user dump information in an instructor manner and then later helps them organize the information into appropriate categories or order. Another one is highlighters. Students that struggle with comprehension can use highlighters to point out keywords, vocabulary words, or critical words that students should know or are struggling to pronounce, to remember, or that they do not know the meaning. For high tech, one of them I chose proofreading programs. Students who struggle with writing, for example, spelling, grammar, punctuation, word usage, or sentence structure, they can benefit from software programs. And they are included in many word processing systems, which are free, and they can scan word processing documents and alert the user of possible errors. Others are highly expensive, like Grammarly, which require like a subscription, or the writing aid as well. Another one is the text to speech. It's an assistive technology software that is designed to help children who have difficulties reading standard print. By presenting the words auditorily, the student can focus on the meaning of the words instead of spending all their brain power trying to sound out the words. So this is perfect for little ones that are having a really hard time with decoding the words. Transitions and independent living. One of them for low text, I chose short strips. These are short strips that help to remind someone how to perform a particular sequence. Sequences can include anything an individual seems unable to remember without a visual cue. For example, place a toothbrushing routine above the sink, or a toileting sequence next to the toilet. Visual task strips allow students to gain independence during tasks by building skills using visuals. The visual schedules can be made with pictures, icons, clip art, or even the actual objects, and they can be portable or fixed or fixed to the wall. Then the other one that I chose was timers. Timers are a great tool for those learners that struggle with transitions. It helps them to learn how to self-pace, and they work more efficiently and productive. It gives students warning and help. It helps them with the transitioning that can be used during work time and also during choice time. And it just allows the child to see exactly how much time is left in the current activity, and helps students prepare for transitionings. And then for the high tech, I chose Looktel Money Reader. Looktel Money Reader is a helpful mobile assistant that's simply and easy to use. It is instantly recognizes currency and speaks the denomination, enabling people experiencing visual impairment or blindness to quickly and easily identify and count bills. This is perfect when they go shopping. They can easily use the application to verify money while checking out, or to ensure that they are getting the right amount or change it back. It can be used to quickly and easily sort money with independence and confidence. It is important to know how to implement all the assistive technology that is chosen based on the individual need, that it's implemented in the classroom. If implemented in the classroom, that the technology that is chosen can reach a broad range of learners. Also, to make sure that people are properly trained if needed, especially for those high tech. And then include assistive technology that engages and motivates learners. This is my reference page, and that is all I have. Thank you.